Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my channel. This is Handmade by Gardena. Hope everyone is having a good morning. This is day 8 of hashtag 12 Days of Digis 2020 by Dear Julie and Cara Brandon Creations. It's a collaboration that they've done. And I am one of the elves. And I just want to thank them again for inviting me to take part of this. I've had so much fun, like I've said in the past videos. Today's video was really a challenge. I'm having to do it this morning because I thought yesterday of what am I going to do, because it was a lot of journaling cards, postcards, and small ephemera. So let me show you what we're working on today. So this is Dear Julie's. She has these 3 postcards with Santa, Mrs. Claus, a lady here, and a child here. Here on the side, she has bells with the holly berries, Santa here with an ad, and Santa here on his sleigh with a reindeer. Cara Brandon had a postcard, a bingo card, some flowers, some pictures of some birds, and some small ephemera here. And we also had a bonus, which is a freebie, Cara Brandon Creations, of some pictures and journaling cards, some labels, and small ephemera here that says Christmas chimes. So this is my page spread. I've already done this one to sort of show you how it works. This is a triple pocket. Excuse me. And I saved these 2 for you here because on this page we're going to do a triple pocket on this page here and a triple pocket here. So let me show you here how we're going to glue this triple pocket here. So this is Cara Brandon on the freebie. Let me grab my glue. Excuse me for my reach. And there's pencil marks on the back, so I would know where to glue, because a lot of times when I get on camera I forget what I'm doing. Don't know why. I just always do that. So we're just going to make it like a side tuck and glue it down here and here. And that's going to be a pocket there. It's going to be like a side tuck. Okay, this picture here, we're going to make another side tuck. So we're going to glue it here and here. And we're going to sort of put it here. So now we have a side tuck here and we have a tuck here. And this one here, this is from Cara Brandon. We're going to put in the front here, and we're going to glue here, here, and here. And that is going to make our triple pocket. And we're going to put it down a little bit lower. So when you put your ephemera in, you got a tuck, you got a pocket here, and a pocket here. So let's get this glued on up here. And we'll use our Fabri-Tac for our red and white ticking to get it glued down. Like I said, I hope everyone is having a good day. We found out yesterday that my brother-in-law has COVID, but he is doing okay. He went to the doctor because he just thought he was having a sinus infection, but he gets them every year. But he just thought he was having a really bad headache, and he knows that I have migraines really bad, and he called my husband to talk about it. And he ended up going to the doctor, and they tested him, and he tested positive for COVID, and they said that he had already had it, and the worst of it was already over. So he had it and didn't even know it. So luckily, he's going to be okay. But we did receive some bad news. My mother's brother, he ended up with COVID, and he had some other health issues, and he did pass away. He was 70, Vietnam veteran. And his visitation and everything is tomorrow in Ohio, which we don't know if we're going to get to go or not because they're under strict lockdown, and we're under lockdown here. This is Cara, Brandon, the green stamps that I had left the other day that I'm just putting up underneath there. But we're not for sure if we're going to get to go, and I don't know if they're going to limit who all can go because of all the restrictions, because it may be immediate family only. In my mom's side of the family, there was 8 of them, so there's a lot of brothers and sisters. And then he has children and grandchildren, so I don't know. But I just want to send out prayers and thoughts to his wife and his children and grandchildren and all of my mom's family, their brothers and sisters and my aunts and uncles and everything. So everyone, please wear your masks and be safe when you're out in public, because this is the first time that it has hit my family. We've not had anyone in the family that it's really affected until now. So just take your precautions. I mean, I've had some friends that it's hit, but no one's passed away or anything from it. But let's move on to something that's better to talk about. I hope everyone is crafting along with us. If you are doing the 12 Days of Christmas digis, make sure you put on your YouTube channel hashtag 12 Days of Digis 2020. So everyone can see, I did some embossing earlier, so I've got the embossing powder everywhere. That's why I'm rubbing some things off. That way everyone can see what you've created. Because we have lots of other elves that has been creating things. And they have done a wonderful job with the digitals. And Cara, Brandon, and Dear Julie is also creating the digitals. So on the bingo card I glued here and here. We're going to take this Merry Christmas, and it is from Cara, Brandon, and we're going to glue here and here on it. And if you don't have a YouTube channel, you can post pictures on Facebook with the hashtag 12 Days of Digis, and on Instagram if you have those accounts. I'm just going to put it on the side here. This is from Cara, Brandon. This is one of the freebies. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to go down the bottom and up both sides. And go toward the bottom a little. And I've already done this one, and I glued it the same way. Added some washi at the bottom. So I got embossing powder everywhere. So with the small ephemera, with these being such small pockets, we'll add some of these small ephemera items. This is Dear Julie. Let's see, we'll add it here so the Santa can peek out. We'll put that here so Christmas can peek out. Did some embossing there. And as we move along, I'm sure we'll have some other things that we'll have where we can put in those pockets. Okay, with the postcards, this is what I did. This is from Dear Julie, and I put 2 pieces of washi tape on Cara, Brandon's postcard and put it together like that. Put Cara, Brandon's tag and the other 3 merchant green stamps there, just for decoration. And put Dear Julie's ephemera there, and this is something I had left over, and made it a little pocket, which I just wanted to show you that, but I actually want to put it here. So that has a little pocket there. Put the washi tape there to make it there, and then these are Dear Julie's. So we have like a little notebook, and there's Cara, Brandon's label. So we are going to take it and, let's see, it doesn't show there. So let's put this here and put this here. So there's our page spread for day 8. So let's do a recap. So what we did is we made triple pockets. We put 2 on this page with some ephemera. And on this bottom pocket, we glue here, here, and here to make this bottom pocket. This pocket here, you glue here and here. This pocket here, you glue here and here, and you just sort of spread them out, and then you have a triple pocket. So we done that on this page, And here, we did it up here and down here. So on this page, you have 6 pockets. And you just put your ephemera in there how you like. And with the postcards, Dear Julie Julie, we just took some washi tape with Cara Brandon's labels and her green stamps, put on as decoration there. There's Cara Brandon's postcard. I put the blank sides there, put Dear Julie Julie's small piece of ephemera there, and made it into a pocket like that. And put some washi tape there. And those are Dear Julie Julie's postcards on the back. Excuse me, I put Cara Brandon's label. And we just slid it in that pocket there. And our day 8, we put some red and white ticking with Cara Brandon's other 2 green stamps. I did some embossing around the bell, and I just outlined the bell and did the holly berries. Put Cara Brandon's label with the day number 8. So that's our page spread for today. I want to thank everyone for watching my videos. I want to thank all my returning subscribers and my new subscribers. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Please subscribe if you haven't. I would appreciate it very much. Give me a thumbs up if you like my video, and share my video if you would like, and leave any comments, questions, or concerns down below. In the description box, I will leave Cara Brandon Creations and Dear Julie Julie's channels down below, and all of the other elves. I will leave a link to all of their videos down below, and go and check out their videos and subscribe to their channels, because there has been a lot of great ideas from the other elves of different techniques and everything that I have learned from them also. That is really cool. Like I said, if you are doing the 12 Days of Christmas, make sure you put the hashtag 12 Days of Digis 2020 in there. And I just want to wish everyone a good day. Wear your masks. Be happy today. Be healthy today. And be safe today. Everyone have a good day. I will see you tomorrow for day 9. And again, everyone have a good day. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.